Hey everyone, Denika here, and I am a home DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you how to easily mount a TV to any wall in your home. So let's get to it. So the first step is to determine at what height you want to place your TV at. So we're going to do the center of the TV at about 62 inches, so just give that a little mark. So for your second step, you're going to need your level. Find your mark. As long as your bubble is in between the two lines, but I do like to make sure that it is as equally between the two lines as possible, and then mark your holes. We're only going to be putting 3 toggle bolts in, but just give those a mark anyway. So you're going to need a pre-drill bit that is large enough to fit the bottom of your toggle bolt through the drywall. So it'll allow it to open up and then tighten. So now you're going to make sure that your toggle bolts are set up properly. You're going to take your washer and you're going to put it onto your toggle bolt. This will allow the bolt not to pass through the mount. So with your washer on your bolt, you're going to place it through the mount and then add the little back piece on just enough so that it grabs. So sometimes the next part can be a little bit tricky. You're going to want to squeeze the back of your toggle bolt and insert it into the wall. So you just want to make sure that the backs of your toggle bolts have all opened up. Just give them a quick little push. So for your first one, you're going to want to pull it out to grab a little bit of tension on the back piece. So now the back of your toggle bolt has opened up and it is a downward pressure. Each bolt is 120 pounds, so it's plenty enough for any TV. So now we're going to take our level back out. Tweak your mount so that the bubble is exactly in the center. And tighten the next toggle bolt. So the next step is attaching your brackets to your television. They're labeled right and left, so it's going to be fairly easy. And every TV does have the screws here that you're just going to put them right on. So if your TV already has feet on it, you're just going to take those off before you try and get it on the wall. So your typical TV mount is going to have these little brackets down here, and that's what's going to catch the back of your mount. Then at the bottom, you are going to pull this down. Once it's on, push it to the wall and let go. And there you have it. In just 20 short minutes, you're able to get your TV up off the stand, onto the wall, and free up a ton of floor space. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below if there's any other home DIYs that you would like to learn. Make sure you subscribe and visit Fix.com for more great videos. With Fix.com, you're handier than you think.